Welcome to Commerce Academy. In previous lecture, we discussed manufacturing account. We discussed what is business, types of business, and formulas of cost accounting. We study prime cost formula, conversion cost, manufacturing cost, cost of goods manufactured, and cost of goods sold. These formulas are studied in previous lecture. So today I am going to discuss types of cost. First, what is cost? The cash paid or a liability incurred on the purchases of goods is called cost. Means that amount spent on the purchases of goods is called cost. So next, expense. The expired portion of cost is called expense. Element of cost. In order to manufacturing a product, three types of cost. First one is direct material cost, direct labor cost, and FOH factory overhead cost. So first, direct material. A material directly used in the production of goods is called direct material. Means in production of furniture, wood is a direct material. Means a material that directly used in the production of wood is called direct material. Wood is directly used in the production of furniture. So it's example of direct material. Indirect material. Indirect material that not directly used in the production of goods is called indirect material. Indirect material example below nail is an example of indirect material in furniture production. Next, direct labor. Direct labor is a directly work on the production of goods. Means direct labor or convert raw material into finished goods. These are called direct labor. Indirect labor. Indirect labor not directly work on the production of goods, means not directly work on the conversion of raw material into finished goods. Indirect labor is an example of production supervisor or performance checker वगैरह is an example of indirect labor. So third one is factory overhead. All expense other than direct material and direct labor include in factory overhead like indirect material, indirect labor, depreciation, salary of supervisor, heat and lighting, and other expense including factory overhead. So now I am going to discuss comput- computation of direct material use. Means how to calculate the direct material use. So first we find direct material. First we mention here raw material opening inventory. Raw material raw material opening inventory. For example, raw material opening inventory. What is raw material opening inventory? A material, the closing raw material of previous year is an opening raw material of our next year. So this raw material is closing raw material of previous year. So this year is the opening raw material. So next, add purchases, purchases, purchase, purchase raw material. Add add transportation expense, transportation expense add less purchase discount and less purchase return means this value is purchase of raw material, this is expense on the purchase, and this one purchase discount will less from purchase of raw material, and purchase return also less. So our net purchase, net, net purchase value is add we find raw material available for raw material this one raw material available for you. So we find out direct material use. So next, less raw material clothing. Clothing. What is raw material clothing inventory? A material that not used in production during the year is at our clothing raw material. Means that material is not used in production, that material are remain at the end of year, so it's our clothing raw material. So it's a less from material available for you. Material use, direct material. So this is the formula of how to calculate the direct material use. So first we raw material opening inventory, then we add purchases of raw material, and add expense, ferret expense also included in purchases. The less purchase discount, less purchase return, if any of given that less from purchases. So net purchase add in raw material opening inventory, we find out the material available for use. Then we less raw material closing inventory, so we find out the direct material use. So in today's lecture we discuss types of cost and also discuss how to calculate the raw material direct material use. So in next lecture we solve some example how to calculate raw material, discuss with example, and also how to calculate prime cost, how to calculate conversion cost and manufacturing cost. We see these with example. So I meet with you in next lecture. Thank you and goodbye.